Flamboyant number cake. Beautiful colours, light and spongy cake with a smooth condensed milk chocolate buttercream. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Wonderful cake to have for a special birthday. So let's get started. Here we have 60 grams of softened butter, 210 grams of sugar and 3 eggs. Whisk to combine the ingredients until you have a fluffy light yellow colour. Part sieve 430 grams of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now add 70 ml of vegetable oil and pour half of 250 ml of milk. After a quick whisk, sieve the remaining flour. Part adding the wet with the dry ingredients helps incorporate the batter without forming any lumps. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Using a spatula, scrape down the sides to make sure the batter is well incorporated. Using butter, grease your tray and place baking sheet. Meantime, make sure your oven is preheated at 180 degrees with no fan. Go ahead and pour your batter into your tray. Spread your batter into each corner and bake for 14 minutes or until golden in colour. Allow your cake to rest for 15 minutes before removing from its tray. At this stage, be careful not to break the cake. Using a knife or a cake cutter, evenly cut your cake. If you're using a knife like me, carefully check the middle to see if it's cut. Now place your number template. You can either print these out from online or draw them yourselves. Holding your template in place, cut around the number. Don't throw your cut out cake pieces away. You can either enjoy them with your tea or make cakesicles. I've decided not to trim all around my cake. If you desire, you can trim every end. If you need 2 numbers like me, repeat the whole procedure of making a batter and baking a new cake. Now let's prepare the chocolate condensed milk buttercream. 550 grams of softened butter. Whisk until creamy. Add 1 can of condensed milk. 450 grams of melted milk or dark chocolate. Make sure your chocolate is not hot, we don't want to melt our butter. Whisk your buttercream until it's smooth and well incorporated. The measurements for this buttercream makes 2 cakes. If you only require for 1 cake, half your ingredients. Now to assemble the cake. After gently removing the top of the cake, Put the first layer, the bottom of the cake, on your tray or cake board. After placing my buttercream in a piping bag with a star nozzle, I'll be piping all over my cake. Now place the second layer of your cake onto your buttercream and continue piping on top. Repeat the whole procedure for your second number. Now decorate your cake with your own choice of chocolates and fruits. I decided to use strawberries, chocolate and flowers. You can also decorate with macarons. Amazing colours, soft and light spongy cake with a smooth buttercream. Wonderful cake to have for a special birthday. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.